Good morning. Do you have oily skin that feels like it can fry an egg by noon? Do you spend hours doing skincare routines that barely last an hour? Well, I've got a solution for you. Today, we're going to talk about a 5-minute skincare routine that will leave your oily skin feeling fresh and clean all day long. First things first, you need to understand what causes oily skin. Oily skin is caused by your glands producing too much sebum, which can result in clogged pores, acne, and shiny skin. Step 1. Cleanser. Start with a gentle cleanser that will remove dirt and oil from your skin without stripping it of its natural oils. Look for a product that contains salicylic acid, which penetrates deep into the pores and reduces oil production. Step 2. Toner. A toner helps to balance your skin's pH and shrink your pores. Try using a toner with witch hazel, which has astringent properties and will help reduce the appearance of oily skin. Step 3. Moisturizer. Moisturizing is essential for all skin types, but especially for oily skin. Use a lightweight moisturizer that is oil-free or non-comedogenic, which means it won't clog your pores. You can also look for a moisturizer that contains tea tree oil, which has antibacterial properties and can reduce inflammation. Step 4. Sunscreen. It's essential to protect your skin from harmful UV rays, even if you're staying indoors. Look for a lightweight sunscreen that won't clog your pores and has an SPF of at least 30. Step 5. Exfoliate. Exfoliating once a week will help remove dead skin cells and unclog your pores. Try using a physical exfoliator with gentle granules or a chemical exfoliator like glycolic acid or salicylic acid. So, there you have it, a quick and easy 5-minute skincare routine for oily skin. With just a few simple steps, you can have fresh, clean, and shine-free skin all day long. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more skincare tips and tricks.